Ongiphindwanga. Usuchazelani?
Siyabona siyachaza.
Cha, ngofishi yebo. Okunye nokunye ngiyayithemba.
Na usikhule sipheka ngenkani. Game isikhule sipheka ngenkani mase kuyigame lakho nje. Igame lakho, there's nothing you can do.
I hope you eat everything that I do.
I eat everything. Yeah, I feel like umuntu onama allergies umuntu rich.
Okay, so guys, we have rice.
Why did you bring me food?
Because well, hi guys. I brought her food because ngiyapheka ngithi mangithi kwi-live hayibuke luyakhala. Kanjani manje? I know. I felt so bad. Ngathi yazini ngipheke. Ngimbuza usedlile yini usephekile yini umfazi ngoba phela ngiyabona ukuthi akekho grands. Umfazi hayo akaphekile ngathi okay yazini umfazi. Yes. Yaphaka vele manje. Phaka. Ngize ngalapha.
Thank you so much.
We have rice. Maya nginazi ikhaftine eyiningi so kube ne-mixture khona. We have creamy spinach and mince. Guys, I hope my food tastes good, Shem.
Otherwise,
sengihambe indlela enga nanokuthi ke futhi bengiqala ukwenza fish. Mawukuthi nje content ofayizwayo. Kodwa caramelize, uyabona manje.
Yeah.
Shadala ngami.
I'm serious, I love fish.
Uthi ngishade? Nakhona there's a car parked there, Jawan. Ngithi ngiyabheka imoto yakhe angiyiboni noma mhlambe ngithi okay well mhlambe ubhaka kwenye indawo ngithi ngidala ukuphatha
ngiyabona imoto engenile sezikhona imoto zakhona. Oh, okay.
Kodwa khona ispace extra ngayo.
Yo!
Angifunanga nokuba uzofuna ukungena. Hawe.
But it's fine, that's your phone.
Okay.
Yeah, that's your phone.
Usho ukuthi ngi-edit.
Angiziboka kakhulu.
Ngiyakwazi zawudla kakhulu.
Yeah, this is fine.
There's my cell phone. Oh, she's coming as well.
Yeah, but not now.
Oh.
But yazi ngishawa uvalo like lusi dudu. Mangicabanga lento because I was so scared and I didn't have anyone engangizokhuluma naye ngimtshela ukuthi guys because I was bullied in front of people and I didn't have a friend there. Akekho umuntu engangakhona ukumtshela ukuthi guys, this person is bullying me. I don't like how they're speaking to me. I understand umdala kunami ngimncane but you don't have to shout at me. Sibadala sisila sonke because siyasebenza. At some point she said, "Uyazi ngiyakhumbula ngithuka ngesingisi. Ngicabanga na ukuthi mfethu ngithukelani ngesingisi. Like what the hell? Ungithukelani ngesingisi?" So angikhona ukukhuluma ngayo kakhulu le because but sis I'm shaking. Guys, here's our food. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hope you ain't dancing up.
Up! What the fuck? You know what I mean, but so nje oyinto kanjalo nje azange ngitshele. Oh, kanjalo sis. Yeah. Sizilike bonakala nje. Well, bese uzoshaya for sure. Uyami disinga. Ngiyabonga manje. Ngiyabonga manje. Lapho bungangitheni. Chef or by profession, ukuthi nje ngikho.
Not to press my skills. But I was saying like
Ngama
awuvilaphi. You know how some people even lose their whatever. Uke wathatha break, waphindwa wabuya ngamanga. So ingcono ibreak kanjalo khambe vela sasibreak bese kuba nzima
kube njalo o content tricky mfana yo abantu bangakubuka betshela ukuthi hayi Polly there's a lot of thinking that goes into
I feel like this is your season fun and this 7 times video right
bro love ngimfice selele the fact that she woke up and is just enjoying isapha inhliziyo yami is fulfilled ngosana
still going to come up there.
what's it Nana?
Let's
go through today. Is it the same guy who's at Lapa?
No. I'm down Mount Java.
Mafika sibuzana ukuthi sodlana awubala ingingili kodwa ngincede ubona ukuthi masuyibona kodwa ke base kumele usho sasidingile izilona nophuzo
sobona
angisidla ingingili
uzidla ingingili
yes ngathi
ingingili amakhizathi
yes ngathi ezikwinduku mina eziyisnack
yeah mina ngifunda ukukari musisha fake nama-vegetables lapho salad njengofane rice abo rice leli futhi yeah angilazi leli rice elimhlophe kakhulu ngithambile kushaya ngawo-biryani sometimes online usuka lapho ufake ummbila wakho uhlose ukufaka omnandi
awusange sawuthanda ummbila
hayi ngiyayithanda
yini ngami ngayithanda beetroot
hayi beetroot ngiyayithanda
shisela ayithanda as you should. That's the last like Shamis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Azande. Wakamadlala Itokazi Yasemsinga, and welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome to the family. We love you. Hlala phansi ungayindawo, please. And if you're a returning subscriber, unjani jom. So guys, we are going to Durban. We are going to Durban. You guys know that I love Durban. And also ngiphume KZN. Siya eThekwini, siyokwenza izinto ezifyunyana, shoot nyana. Ngiyakhuluma into engitshela ngayo ngithi something big is coming. What siyenza i-photo shoot ka something big. Ngizothi give a birth soon. Stay tuned. So ngiyeThekwini ukuze ngizowenza i-photo shoot, ngine meeting and I have to see my friends. Yabo? Ngiyothi nje break nyana, ngifuna ukuhlanganisa konke. Nezinye ngihlezi ngifuna ukuzenza eThekwini ngiyozenza manje, but yonke nje ngizoyenza nani. Njengamanje ngiye-airport ngikhona nomngane wami uNombuso. Hi guys. So ngimcelile ukuthi angidrive guys. Ijacket yakhe inhle kanjani ibukeni guys?
Basazayibona nje.
Gorgeous. Hamane mcheka ku-channel kuma platforms akhe uzoyiposta lelo anifakele i-code yakashini, uzonifakela i-code yakhona mase
niyathenga.
Yes. Let's go to the airport. We are not late. But if it's not fixed traffic, we are definitely late. We are just on time. Kodwa kwanenkinga sondo phoyisa okuncane nje. Oh, isasiphumela just i-traffic ibad. Okuncane nje okungenzeka. We are in trouble. Let's go. Luggage yami, and then I'm going to drop her at missing my parents. Start to got actually 6 and then bought them for 6:50. So I still have time. Yeah. There's never any uniform. Maybe. Because tell me why the phone late it's so well but I'm saying man, so I'm blog and delete, blog and delete. And it's toilet because I'm not paying for e-space. That's why. So in the yeah, ngimfazi right usinjake kho sethewa to him.
Awubayahluleka yini noma abazama.
Singajabula ngendlela. Ngeke kulungisha. Umfazi noma angahlala ngecorrect, mali indoda kwamele ijabule ngakho.
So emeli cheat. Ngakho ngeke mina ngishaya.
Izo ropa phela, izo bore relationship.
Uthi ubuya nini ke ubonise laba abahlulekile umsamo.
Hayi bo uzobulala udanya ngizothenga into ngadanya just ngiyona. Papa yini? Shab.
These boarding passes, I'll know the names, it's fine.
Ngibeke la? 1930.
Kevin?
Yes.
Yes.
Vele nesurname kuphela ngeke uzungazi.
Unfortunately, I can't give you a boarding pass.
Oh, if my
I
name
can't
is
take the pen if I don't know your name. How is this you?
What do you mean? How is this?
I mean, how is this you?
I understand. You mean?
Is this you?
Yes. As funny.
It's part of my job. I can't.
Oh. Ngithi uyangiphikisa ukuthi yini?
Time? Is it left unattended at any time?
No.
Anything you buy from anyone? No. And you got these listed dangerous goods here. Any power banks, electronics, any flammable jewelry or money in your bag. So no power banks, no Bluetooth speakers. We don't have weapons, any kind, guns, tasers, pepper sprays. Can't have those.
There's a tripod.
Tripod ready.
No,
No, tripod is nothing battery powered.
No, it's not battery powered. Tabaga with confidence.
I told you what you're gonna
I
give me.
think that I am. Can I please have a strawberry matcha? Sandwich layer, chicken, I think chicken mayo. Can I add cheese?
Yeah. Strawberry matcha. Which one do you want? Ice or cocoa?
Iced.
You can try.
So guys, I have like 40 minutes so to phefumule. You order a strawberry matcha and a sandwich so that I can eat. Because ngizolenda around 8:30. Ngizofike endlini for sure ngo-9. Bekhane ngi-order yabo and ngenza ngihle ngo-10. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngizobe sengilambe kakhulu sengiqhaqhazela. Ngizodla nje manje and then isinkwa sami ngiyazi uzodla islice esisodwa. Esinye islice ngizosidla kodeben. They're coming to fetch me. Yena with her partner. So we bola angazi njani. Let's go.
Many thousands of supporters here. Should they prize it away, will become intern. Down.
They did the same thing to you. Good morning. It's a Sunday. We are still in Durban. Guys, I did not show you my Airbnb because I don't want to plug you. There's so many things that I don't like and I don't want to bash other people and stuff, but but the place is very cute, but there's certain things in Chile. And then njamanje ngizophuma. I'm waiting for my Uber. Ngizohamba ngiya ngiwenza makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup at 10, and then go 12 ngiyenza ishoot. So fena so Monday sizongisiza ngeshoot. Ngifakile ama accessories. Let me show you this deck some. Cute, right? Yeah, this is cute. So the jewelry era, Dada Wellington and Girl Therapy. Guys, I love Girl Therapy. I love Girl Therapy. Then the rings are from Shein. This is Girl Therapy. Shein. Jeans are from Shein, and I'm wearing Crocs because I'm a heel. Durban is hot. Durban is hot. So it's also a bola, movie salad. So now, as you can see, let's go. Okay, Wait, did you pay for the Uber?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Like, we want him to take grey Toyota.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hi, Vanessa. Yeah. Good child. Must I do flow? That's all facility.
Hi.
Wait, will it?
Not really. But I give money to cheap.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mashallah, man. Tell us also gone.
What? What's gonna look good for the shoot?
It is.
Okay.
It's gonna look even better in Gateway.
Yeah. And I don't like doing people.
Zoshisa Botanic Gardens. Ngiyoshisa eBotanic.
Oh, alright, I know. Okay, nigga, boss.
Sharp.
Easy, brother, oh.
Nakho-ke.
Alright.
Ubani lo wenza ngemuva? Lo wenza ngemuva ubani? Pethu Fabulous. Sharp, boss. Guys, we are done with the makeup and I love it. Oh, I'm ngizofaka amandla lakhe siseThekwini ngizofaka details zakhe la. If you are in Durban, have your booker, and this is a free promo, guys. Ngoba ngiyathanda umsebenzi wakhe ngiyabo. Hlezi ngenza makeup eThekwini, but this one 10 out of 10. First outfit done, singishutha la amanye ama outfits and then sirepe namanje siyangisiza. Yeah, kodwa kunesina ngoba kude la kushintshelwa khona. Siyahamba. We have to get something to eat. There's Mozambique, there is Spain, the Super Supers. And we have Momos left. Maybe say, oh, like Momos. The one, the Italian kitchen, no. You know what dogs are sweet, I mean. If you don't get clicks, can if you can go to clicks, but if I don't go to manager, I'm saying I should have makeup. Then let's just have a say that. But guys, kawan this is special ukuthi Gateway ukuthi Mr. Price ukuphi. But sesutholile sebesitshela ukuthi una Mr. Price. Sesiyakhona. And then hopefully no clicks uzosiveza. Then bese yamsiyokuphi. Let me see your shoes. Why are you taking heels? And then, what else did you say? Nato zam zamanje abahlekayo. Well guys, sesiqedile sesiyodla. The kids are hungry.
Oh,
Uyafuna ukufela?
uzasiphosta nini?
Ngithi uyafuna nawe ukuvela.
Uzasiphosta nini?
Uzophosta next week
Ngizela
Sunday.
ukugijima. Oh, ayiwu. Lokhu alarm. Comment if nangu mina. On.
Yeah.
Buah, mshaba wonke phela.
Budget with them.
Hello there.
Budget with them.
Kina azande lana. Uthi ngikani?
Yeah. Ngenziwa njalo ngisisi. Mdlalokhu noma budget ugqoke noma budget.
Ivos. Maribs, pork. Umlenze wenkukhu. Batheni ke lokho? Mash. Shutting. The flying fish ngaphezulu. Bese kubhala noma flying fish. Moya wami.
Wazi nokuthi okunye kuyavala.
Moya wami akuthanda yazi. Kodwa akade akuthanda moya wami.
Okudala.
Bona phela ngiqala la. Ukudla kwafana khona.
Ngiyakhumbula. Eli.
Bese ngizoxosha.
Awu kahle ngakhumbula.
Bese ngizoxoxa ngikhumbula.
Ukuthi phela ngangikusaba.
Njengoba ngikhululeka nje emoyeni ngisaba.
Wawuthulele nje. Wawuthulele. So ngabona ubhuti nje mhloniphekile wethule kanti we.
Kade ngihloniphekile njalo kuwukuthi ngoba kunje. Sila. Cheers.
Okay, so we are done. It's a wrap and we're about to leave. Something about abangani bami. So how about abangani bami? Matenkul kangaka. Matenkul kangaka. Manually.
Mahindo.
I think Mahindo automatic then.
Yung automatic. Manual.
checked in and I'm not hungry, but I want something to drink. Ufunidi nyandazi etiyeni nyandazi. I'm going back to Johannesburg. Guys, I really needed this break, hey? Yo. And mangifika endlini ngizolanda usisami omncane amahle and my friend nombuso. Imagine ngizolanda usisami ngimthandayo umngane wami ngimthandayo. Oh damn. Some people are just lucky, hey, and I happen to be one of them. I said that ukuthi ngiwafalela amaqoqo ekuseni angazi. I wanted to look so good namhlanje. Let's isicephe istocking nani stocking sami siranile because mina ngisikhiphe ngama-ring sakaxola eringini kwaphela kanjalo. Like azi nje ngibona ngabe at the back. I don't know why, because I always prefer to sell up phambili, but oh no, I know ngoba I don't have a bag, so that's why I was like Ngaiposta ku YouTube. Ngaiposta ku YouTube.
Why posta ku YouTube? Oh.
Guys, so she said McDonald's will get something to eat. Then we'll go to her house. I need to edit 2 videos. New restaurant. Guys, we've come to the end of our vlog. I am back. Go high. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This vlog was quite short, guys. I understand. I as a vlog, but I'm trying to end the editing ending. So like, comment and subscribe. Bye my shami.